Today on the Usual Repairs channel, we have a mini waffle maker that was damaged by water getting inside. Even though it has only been used a few times when it's plugged in, the circuit breaker trips immediately, which means there is a short circuit inside. The reason this is happening is that it was washed under running water, and there is a high chance that water got inside and caused the short circuit. I'm going to take it apart to find out what happened inside. I start by removing the visible screws. One of the screws doesn't have a standard Phillips head, but a special type designed to prevent removal with regular tools. Luckily, I have this set of special bits, including the one that fits this screw. I remove it, take off the cover, and I can see the electrical wires, which appear to be in good condition, with no visible signs of moisture. Next, I'll remove the heating plates to locate the problem. They are attached to the body of the appliance with 2 Phillips screws each. Under the first plate, everything looks fine. The electrical components are in good condition, with no signs of moisture. Now, I remove the second plate, and underneath I find a sponge-like felt that is soaked with water. It becomes clear that this was touching the electrical circuits and causing the short circuit. Its role is to prevent the outer cover from overheating so the user doesn't get burned. I thoroughly dry the protective sponge, then wipe away any remaining moisture inside the cover, and begin reassembling the appliance. Carefully, I reposition the indicator lights, place the protective sponge back in its position, then reinstall the 2 heating plates and secure them with the 4 screws, 2 for each plate. Finally, I put the cover back over the electrical connections and tighten all the screws, including the special one. At the end, I test the appliance. It's working again, heating up properly and ready to make delicious waffles. So it turns out that although the water inside caused a short circuit, it didn't cause any permanent or serious damage. Thorough drying was enough to bring the appliance back to life. For appliances like this, it's recommended to clean the plates without exposing the device to running water or putting it in the dishwasher.